Have you ever noticed that the shadows in Stalker Shadow of Chernobyl are kind of weird? I mean, okay, this is fine. This looks normal, right? Like, pretty good shadows for the time. But look at this fence. Still pretty good, right? Like, surprising detail for the time. But look at where they actually are positioned in the world. Like, they are... Now I'm starting to be unsure if it's really like that, but they're like... I don't know, it's as if they are not on the wall, but in the space here, there's another layer of geometry on the same spot as this wall. Just now I'm not sure about it anymore, but it looks very much like that. I'm not exactly sure why, but it very much looks like that. Yeah, see? Now they're clipping through my camera's near clipping plane because they are not actually... Wow, that's interesting. And at the same time, that is the reason why they can be so detailed, because they are not actually being calculated to fit on the geometry where they are cast, which, well, would require some ray tracings and stuff, but they are kind of faked. They are on the same spot as the geometry that casts them, and they are rendered in some different way or mode. Not sure about that. That's pretty cool, actually, because when you don't look at them more closely, they look very good. Like even today, like, look at that, full dynamic shadows, and they look right until you start to examine them more closely. Wow, I would love to know what's behind this. What kind of technology this is. See? It's the geometry duplicated on the same spot, but rendered differently, and doesn't need to be scaled because, well, yeah, this is how it would look on that wall. I'm not really sure how it's done, because there are some transformations going on, like obviously, but it's faked to it's faked to a degree, and it looks, almost better as if it wasn't faked. Well, that's wow. My respects to the devs. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Pretty cool.